is Centre City Shopping Centre in New Plymouth, and it's time for a lift tour. All of the lifts are Otis Gen 2s, and first to the lift in the car park. In the car park at Centre City Shopping Centre in New Plymouth, a city that seems to be mad about Otis. That's okay, I like Otis. Oh, this is nice. Gen 2. It's an old car park by the looks of it, so I'd say this lift was either an add-in or more likely a replacement.
I buy up. Yeah, we are going
up.
Yeah. I think next time I buy a Chris and go with you to Rachel. Yeah.
Did you want 4?
Yeah, thanks.
Good.
Thanks.
And back to 1. Hopefully without stopping this time. It's a nice mirrored cab. Do a nice mirror effect there. I like that. Yep, we're back at 1. Very nice. You all know how I like my Otis Gen 2s. Not as much as I like my Eco discs, but I do like my Gen 2s. There's actually another level of parking below us, so I'm surprised the lift doesn't go 1 floor further down, but I think this is a replacement for an older lift, and if the original lift didn't go down to ground, then this one probably wouldn't either, without them extending the shaft. But yeah, you can actually see there is actually another floor. Right, that's it. And now to the main lifts inside the shopping centre. Otis Gen 2s, both on their way down. Again, these look like replacements for older lifts. There are there's 3 floors here. Same design as the one in the car park. Oh, it goes up to 4. Okay. Okay, identical to the singular lift in the car park. I didn't realise that these lifts went up to 4 as well. Here we are at 4. Non-stop, that's good. Oh yes, there's farmers. Wonder where we are. Oh, a little atrium. Access to the car park by the looks of it. And here we are at 1. There it goes. That's it. And finally to the Otis Gen 2 lift in Farmers. The lift in Farmers at Centre City Shopping Centre, New Plymouth, and once again Otis Gen 2. Ooh! That's different. Just 2 floors. Oh wow, look at that Otis label, that's pretty cool. Wow. The floor numbering is actually wrong. These are not floors ground and 1 at all. They're actually levels 2 and 3. Wow, this is a really nice cab. Well, Otis did a good job on this. There we go. There it goes. And that's it.